Hi lovelies, welcome again to Winnie Styles. We have the short natural haircuts that are so popular. It's a style that is meticulously graduated transitions from the ultra short size to a longer crown. And this style will really give your haircut architectural precision and artistic detailing. One thing about the style is that they are shaped into shorter sections for that personal expression, and it's a style that blends a dramatic length contrast between the section with a defined path line. So when I talk about styling or even giving some patterns, it's an individual preference. Anything you want is what you go for. There are women out there that don't want those pattern lines. So we have the style that is versatile and can be styled in multiple ways. One thing about the style, they are statement looking haircut that will give it that bold look and create that visual interest. So you can see how this hairstyle is extremely low maintenance and is easy to maintain, and you can see how when it's very short it will make a perfect starter style after a big job that beautifully frames your face. So let me just let you guys please watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here in Winnie Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let me let you guys watch this video to the end. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload.